Spritzing the ends. I'm gonna put this all over my face. Hey y'all, it's Jaila, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join all 19, almost 20,000 of us over here. Today I'm coming to you with a maintenance vlog, specifically a B-Day maintenance vlog because my birthday is in. So we are going to do my skincare routine, keeping this late 20s skin nice and supple. We are actually shaving my face today and cleaning up the eyebrows. We're going to do polygel nails. We got to do the toes. And we are going to still maintain our hair even though we're wearing wigs. If you're interested in this maintenance vlog, go ahead and keep on watching. I definitely want to make sure I'm taking care of my skin and keeping my skin nice and moisturized. So I'm going to go ahead and take you through my skincare routine. I already washed my face. I used the CeraVe cleanser in order to wash my face. I've been using this cleanser for like a while now. I'll go ahead and link the last skincare video that I did up here, but this is kind of an update. This is what my skin is currently looking like right after being cleansed. So I am going to do a weekly mask and I really need to keep myself to that. None other than the NOLA Skin Essentials Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. So I'm just taking a mask applicator. I'm gonna put this all over my face. I'm gonna let this mask sit on my face for about 5 minutes and then I'll come back to y'all when we're ready to shave our face. So this is my skin after washing off that pumpkin enzyme mask. And now I'm gonna go through the process of actually shaving my face. And I will say it makes a huge difference in your makeup application and just the way that your face looks in your pictures. To prep for that, I'm gonna put a whole bunch of oil on my face. This is the Trader Joe's Vitamin E oil. So I have a fresh eyebrow razor and I'm going to use this to shave my face, and then I'm going to use this little pad to like wipe off the excess hair. I pull it taut and I shave downwards like this. Y'all can see that hair. Of course, be careful around your actual hairline. Well, be careful, period, because it's a razor. Okay, I think I've shaved everything that I want to shave off my face. Now I'm going to take this Pixi Glow Tonic To Go wipe, and this is essentially my toner, and I'm going to completely wipe down my face. And let y'all know now, it burns, okay? This is what came off my face. And this is now my nicely toned skin. When I dermaplane my face, I only use the razor once. So I'm going to go ahead and throw all this stuff away and then we can continue with our skincare routine. I'm going to go in with my serums. I use 2 different serums from NOLA Skin Essentials. Again, NOLA Skin Essentials is a Black-owned skincare company. I have worked with them in the past, but this is not sponsored. I bought these ones with my own money, okay? So I go in with their Morning Glory Serum, and it says minimize the appearance of stretched pores. And then I follow that up with my Tried and True Brightening C Serum for a natural radiance. This is essentially my vitamin C / tackling my hyperpigmentation. And I'm letting y'all know right now, this is gliding on my face so smoothly. I can definitely tell that I just shaved my face. I'm not leaving the house right now, so I'm not about to put on that sunscreen. But the last thing I try to do is put on some type of eye cream. Right now, I'm using the Tatcha, the Silk Peony, and this is their melting eye cream. I rotate between this one and there's a stick by Tula that I also have and use pretty consistently. So this is what that Tula skincare product looks like. And again, it's just a stick that you can put on directly underneath your eyes. And last but certainly not least, we have to moisturize the lips. At nighttime, I typically use this Laneige lip sleeping mask. This was a sample that I got. And baby, when I tell y'all I'm wearing this sample out, okay, because Laneige is very expensive, but I really do like this product. But all throughout the day when I need some type of moisture on my lips, I go for my handy dandy beauty supply store lip gloss. So this is what my skin is looking like. Late 20s, you feel me? So we've done the skin, let's move on to the hair. If you did not already see how I installed these braids on myself, my cornrows, I'm going to leave that video linked above, but I want to show you how I'm going to take care of them as I'm wearing them. I am going to go ahead and take my spray bottle because we want our hair to stay moisturized even if it's in braids, and I'm just going to lightly spritz it. Spritzing the ends. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of this moisturizer, and I'm basically going to moisturize the ends. So just taking that much. I'm really just gonna rub it down my braids, making sure I really get those ends. And the last thing I'm gonna do is oil my scalp. I'm using the Melanin, I always hold this the wrong way, the Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend. And I'm gonna go down each of my parts. And I'm gonna essentially seal in the moisture we just put on my ends. So you can go ahead and put on your scarf and just let your edges marinate, or just let all that stuff seep into your head. And that is about it. Next thing we're gonna work on is our nails. Let me go ahead and show you what my nails are looking like. So these are my natural nails. I've actually had my natural nails out for almost a month now. You can see that some of them are growing out and some of them have broken off. I'm gonna cut them all down to the same size when I do my next set of nails. But just so you know, I have been wearing Gel X for the past couple of months. I'll go ahead and link some videos for y'all. And I ran out of like one of the sizes of my full cover tips. So I thought now is the perfect time to try polygel, which I tried like a year ago and gave up because I had some lifting issues. But I think I'm ready to try polygel again. So that is what we're gonna do for my birthday set. If you wanna see my B-Day polygel nail set, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so we're going from this
to this. So let's go ahead and get into this nail set. I'm using my Beetles nail glue to adhere these tips to my nails. So I'm using half tips instead of my full cover tips this time. I got these from Amazon. They are linked in my Amazon shop. So once I measured out everything, I'm literally using the nail glue. Well, it's actually the gel, and I'm going to go ahead and cure that in my lamp. I decided to do it this way because this is how you adhere Gel X, and that's what I've been doing for the past couple of months. So this is what the nail tips look like adhere to my nails. And now I'm taking my polygel set. This is like a natural pink color, and I'm squeezing it out like toothpaste. And then I'm taking a dual form, which you can't see because my other hand is covering it, and I'm literally just pressing down with the dual form to kind of mold the nail itself without me having to like pat. So yeah, it's kind of like a cheat code. And then I'm just making sure that nothing's on my skin. I'm going to go ahead and cure that. And then when I pop off the dual form, you'll see that I have a nice little nail that of course needs to be filed in shape and painted over. But it came out really, really nice, y'all. Let me know what you think of the nail design that I did. It's super simple. And I really like it. It's kind of like a take on what I did last year.
Alright y'all, so this is how my nails came out. I did do the same design with 2 different colors on each hand. So the nail polish came in a kit. It's from Beetles. I'll of course link it in my Amazon shop, so make sure you check my description box for my Amazon shop. This one is the Soft Pastel Candyland, and it has literally all pastel colors. So I use the pastel lavender or purple in A675. And I used the pastel yellow in A678. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. It's really hard to see. Then for my pointer finger, I used this Beetles gel color in 783. This came with like the whole kit that I bought when I originally bought like a gel polish kit. I did go ahead and do my toes, so I just went ahead and refreshed my French pedicure. And the way I did that was just with, again, my Beetles gel polish. I used the base gel. I went in with this white, which is in 775, and then I went ahead and topped it off with the top gel. Let me show y'all what my toes are looking like real quick. So these are my toes. Don't mind my veins popping out. They look good from back here, but if you get close, you can kind of see some imperfections. Like I have a little dent in my toenail. I don't know why, but yeah. It's good enough, and it's gel, so it should last a little longer than the polish that I've been getting. So yeah, y'all, that is my nail situation. Poly gel on the nails with gel polish on top, and then gel on the toes. All right, y'all, so this is my maintenance vlog, my maintenance routine. Again, these are things that I do like once a month, every month, just to keep on top of myself. But it's very special because my birthday is literally next week, so it's like getting ready for my birthday, prepping my own self for my birthday. It's really, really fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so YouTube can share with other people. Make sure you hit that notification bell because I'm posting videos every single day into my birthday, y'all. We've been doing really, really good. We haven't missed a day yet, okay? So make sure you hit that notification bell. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.